Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Spocket on Shopify. Spocket is a dropshipping app that allows you to sell products from suppliers without having to hold any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an e-commerce business or to add new products to your existing store. What you'll need: a Shopify store, a Spocket account. Step 1. Create a Spocket account. If you don't already have a Spocket account, you can create one for free. Once you've created your account, you'll need to add your store's URL. Step 2. Install the Spocket app on Shopify. Once you've created your Spocket account, you can install the Spocket app on Shopify. This can be done by going to the Shopify App Store and searching for Spocket. Step 3. Connect your Spocket account to your Shopify store. Once you've installed the Spocket app, you'll need to connect your Spocket account to your Shopify store. This can be done by entering your Spocket API key and password in the Shopify app. Step 4. Import products from Spocket to your Shopify store. Once you've connected your Spocket account to your Shopify store, you can import products from Spocket to your store. This can be done by clicking on the Products tab in the Spocket app and then selecting the products that you want to import. Step 5. Publish your products. Once you've imported your products, you can publish them on your Shopify store. This can be done by clicking on the Products tab in your Shopify store and then selecting the products that you want to publish. Step 6. Set up your shipping settings. Once you've published your products, you'll need to set up your shipping settings. This can be done by going to the Shipping tab in your Shopify store and then setting up your shipping rates. Step 7. Set up your payment settings. Once you've set up your shipping settings, you'll need to set up your payment settings. This can be done by going to the Payments tab in your Shopify store and then setting up your payment methods. Step 8. Start selling. Once you've completed all of these steps, you're ready to start selling products through Spocket. Additional tips: use the Spocket product research tool to find profitable products to sell. Use the Spocket image editor to create custom product images. Use the Spocket shipping calculator to estimate shipping costs for your products. Use the Spocket order manager to track your orders. Setting up Spocket on Shopify is a great way to start a dropshipping business or to add new products to your existing store. By following the steps in this tutorial, you can easily get started and start selling products in no time. Thanks for watching.